Hello, welcome to my channel. As you see, this is MrBeast here, and this is Mark Rober. Once again, they have collaborated to get rid of 30 million pounds of trash from our oceans and our seas. Let us all join in with this campaign to get rid of our seas and oceans of trash. Together, hand in hand, we make our world a better and clean place to live. Remember, we did not inherit this from our ancestors. We are only borrowing this from our children. So, together with my family, we support this campaign and drive. Let us all do our thing and take out 30 million pounds of trash from our seas and oceans. Together, through our little ways and means, we can do this. Let us support their endeavors by subscribing to their channel. We get them to 200 million subscribers. So we start right now. Subscribe to MrBeast and Mark Rober. Now we move on. Permit me to say something about myself. I am a freelance trumpet player, and since the lockdown, it's already more than a year. Large gatherings are not yet allowed. Actually, this is a collaboration, and since these lockdowns and COVID times, I shifted my focus to YouTubing, and I consider MrBeast my mentor. He inspired me, he had me interested in doing YouTube. So during these times, I was thinking, okay, what am I going to do with regards to my profession? So while our CDs are not that big a production, it's not even in stores. It's like we only sell them when we have gigs and they can buy. But during these times, not. With that in mind, and of course, for those less fortunate people who are also uploading our music here in YouTube, and they're already monetizing. Well, anyway, for the other thing, I also give to the mission and charity. In my meager income, I still could spare a little bit of amount to give. That mission is focused on the homeless and old, and most of them are sick. So that's the place that I usually give, but not that big, because there, so I give to them. However, during these COVID times, without gatherings, without any gigs or engagements with the band, but it's fine. I give them during this lockdown once only. From March, I think it was sometime November that I went there, gave something. So once again, let's all join in to clear our seas and oceans of trash. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to help my channel. Thank you again.